friends, Casey Ashmore coming to you from the studio today, doing this little last wrap up on the bringing of a sexual harassment claim in the state of Texas and what the prerequisites are to bring it. Now, just a few years ago, that was something that you could just file in district court. You could just bring a lawsuit and you didn't have to worry about any administrative process. And I think that, and the purpose of this video series is to warn you that yet another opportunity for the citizens of the state of Texas to lose the keys to the courthouse. I think that right is going to go away eventually, that because of the laws that our legislature has passed to create this administrative process, kind of like the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, you need to assert a claim through the Texas Commission on Human Rights, which is a subset of the Texas Workforce Commission. So that in plain English means you got to get on the TWC website, you got to tool around, you got to figure out where to make your sexual harassment, sexual discrimination claim, and you got to fill out this little online form. Now, what's handy about that is just like the Workforce Commission, all that happens online. But what's not handy about it is it's a clunky website, it's not that sophisticated, and while the law is not completely fleshed this out right now, I believe that our state government will follow what the federal government did, which is that if there's this administrative remedy and you didn't allow your employer to deal with it at this administrative process, just like the way the workforce claim works, then you may be barred from bringing a subsequent lawsuit. So yet again, another opportunity for the government to take away the keys to the courthouse if you didn't follow all these little lockstep rules. So be aware that this isn't the law yet, but it's probably coming, and that you need to be cognizant of the requirement that the Texas Commission on Human Rights is where you open the book. It's where you start the process of bringing any kind of sexual harassment type claim, inappropriate workplace conduct, and it's got to be part of your workforce claim. And again, another thing to know is that the Workforce Commission won't, and they're not obligated to, but they won't actually give you a whole lot of guidance and assistance on how to assert such a claim. And I think a lot of it is that they don't even understand it. So right hand not talking to the left hand, just another example of, thank God we don't get all the government that we pay for. So last thing on this thought is that what is good, at least supposedly according to the current website, is that if you file the Texas Human Rights Commission, whatever it's called, it's just too many words, but if you file that claim, it is automatically sent to the EEOC, so there's no need to send a dual claim. Those claims will go at the same time to the same agencies. But that also brings up the thing is that you've got to be exactingly specific, because whatever you said in your administrative proceeding, especially if you have your eyes on the prize of potentially a federal lawsuit, whatever you said in an administrative proceeding is what you're locked into from that point forward. So you really cannot amend what's in that form once you're in a federal court of law. That for sure, I know. And that's probably eventually going to be the state of the law in Texas. Anyway, if you want more information, chat at ashmorelawfirm.com or leave me a direct message on any video platform you may see this. And I will see you guys for more in the studio. Thank you so much for watching. God bless America.